Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna show you how to secure perfect domain for toys and games business on your online store on Shopify, easy and quick. So the first thing here you have to do, you have to follow the setup guide. So you have to fix this setup guide right here. So start from you have to add your first product. Okay, so as you see here, you can add the title, you can add the description. Here you can customize and manage the description. Here if you want to generate any text, just describe what you want in your text and click here. Also here you can upload the media. Here you can customize the price and options. You can manage and customize the inventory and the quantity, the shipping. Okay, now let's move on to the next. Customize your online store, choose the theme and add your logo, colors and the image to reflect your brand. So customize your theme. So as you see here, you can choose your favorite theme and click customize on it, and it's gonna be customized easy and quick. Now let's move on to the next step. Name your store. So as you see here, you can name something related to your business, to the games and the toys business. Here you have to add your store phone and save it. Let's move on to the next step. Set your shipping rate. Choose where you ship and how much you charge so your customers can see their shipping costs at checkout. Here you can place a test order. Make sure things are running smoothly by placing a test order from your own store. Okay, so once you fix this setup guide, you have also to fix the settings. So we have here the store details, the plan. We have to fix the billing settings, the user and the permissions, the payments, the checkout, the domain. So today we focus on uh, games and toys business. So we're gonna see how to buy a new domain for games and toys. So first of all, you have to fix this setting right here. So you have to fix the profile, the bill information, the store currency, the time zone and the units of measurements, and the order ID. Now let's move on to the plan. So as you see, choose a plan. Here you can pick your plan. You can pick basic or Shopify or advanced. All of them you can pay $1 for your first month, and this is more ways to sell. We have these two right here, both of them $1 for your first month, and here we have the third one, $2,300. Okay, now let's go back. Let's move on to the next section, the billing. So as you see here, you can choose or add the payments method. So here you have to enter your card information, the credit card information, the card number, the expires, the security code, the first name, the last name, the address, and add the credit card. So that's it. Let's move on to the users and the permissions. Permissions manage what users can see or do in your store. Here you can compare plans, the staff accounts. So let's move on now to the payments. In here you can choose a providers that enable you to accept payments method at a rate set by the third party. An additional fee will apply to new orders once you select a plan. You have to choose a provider, choose anyone from here, and here you can contact provider. Now let's move on to the checkout. So as you see here, you can manage the checkout section, customer contact method. Select what contact method customers use to checkout. Here you can manage the customer information, the full name, the company name, the address line, and the shipping address, phone number. Here you can customize the sign up labels. Also here you can manage the address collection preferences. You can manage the order processing. Here if you want to add additional scripts. Okay, so that's it. Now let's move on to the domains. So today we focus on games and toys. So the first thing here, you have to buy a new domain. Enter here your domain. So as you see here, you can buy a new domain and pay $15 for every year. And other results here, we have this links right here. So these domains, you can buy whatever you like if you wanna other results. So once you buy a new domain, I didn't fix the billing yet, so you have to go back to the billing and enter here your credit card information, because I didn't, and it's gonna easily works with you. Okay, now let's move on to the customer events. So as you see here, the customer events, we have pixels, manage app and custom pixel that access customer events with enhanced privacy and security. So you can add custom pixel and add pixel name and add pixel. So now let's move on to the brand. So as you see here, you can customize something like the default logo and square logo, the colors, the cover image, the slogan, and the short description, the social links. So here, for example, default logo used for most common logo applications, the square logo used by some social media channels. Here we have the primary color, the brand color that appear on your store, social media, and more. The secondary color, supporting colors used for accents and additional details. Here we have the cover image, key image that shows of your brand in profile, page, and apps. Brand statements or tagline often used along with your logo, the slogan, and the short description of your business, often used in bios and listings. And the last thing here, social links for your business, often used in the theme footer. So you can choose whatever you like, Facebook or Twitter or Pinterest link. Now let's move on to the notifications. So as you see here, you can manage this notifications, the customer notifications or the staff notifications, the fulfillment request notifications, the webhooks, the custom data. Here you can add a custom piece of data to a specific part of your store. Here you can add the languages. If you want to add the language, just select your favorite, your language that you speak. Here we have the customer privacy, the privacy plus side, the cookie banner, the data sales opt out, the marketing settings. Okay. So once you fix these settings and follow the setup guide, now all you have to do is just start working on your editor page. So you have to fix and customize the editor page, and now after this you can launch your store and start working, start selling, start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.